All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all so much for coming over. Now, look, we got the Trashmen, Surfin' Bird. Bird is the word 1963 remastered. I'm super excited for this because I believe I am familiar with this song, but I've never seen a video for it. Don't know what these people look like. So we're going to check this out. Hopefully everything goes smoothly, man. All right. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. But shout out to all the good humans. Link is always in the description for those who are asking. So we ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's jump right into it.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird.
Yeah.
The bird's a winner. Well, a bird.
Yeah. And I think some black artists made like a hip hop, the birds. It might have been Missy Elliott. I forgot. But yeah. So we got some, this is a throwback. My goodness.
About the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. Bird is a winner. Well, a bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird.
He doing the funky chicken.
Well, a bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner.
Look at it. Boy, this quality is low.
The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know?
Was that a damn chicken in the back? Boy, hey. Hold on. Was that a chicken in the background? Bird's the word. Hold on.
Everybody's heard about the bird.
Brother, going. The funky chicken. Wait, I just realized this brother ain't said nothing else. That's all the song is? He ain't lying when he said bird is the word. Yo! For those of you, when this song came out and it hit the streets, what were y'all doing? The beach, surfing? What were y'all doing when this song came out? Because my goodness. Bird's the word. What in the exorcist? Going. Could you imagine Angus from AC/DC if he was playing the guitar in this and you got that brother doing that leg? Even Chuck Berry, since Chuck Berry was the one who started it. Chuck Berry and this brother. This is crazy. It's entertaining as hell, but it's crazy at the same time.
Everybody knows that the bird is a winner.
Well, all right. What do you want me to say? That was it. It was just one of them songs you probably heard and y'all were dancing. That's it. I don't know what the story is behind this. Oh, just to let y'all know, today is Monday. All right. Today is Monday for me. What is today? What is today? Damn it, where is well, whatever today is, Monday. It's funny that this is the bird's the word, because I was just watching. I did a reaction. And I sent it to Daniel to edit, but to The Sopranos, season 1, episode 1. All right. I'm starting The Sopranos. And it's just funny how the bird's the word is what I listen to now. And if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. If you watch Sopranos episode 1, season 1, episode 1, with the hey, 2 minutes, 20 seconds of this brother just on that stage spazzing out. That brother was enjoying himself. They didn't show no crowd. They didn't show the rest of the band. That brother was just there in his suit. I'm surprised he didn't fly away. As many times as his arms went up and down and he went in a circle, I am shocked that man did not fly away. That brother's feet should have levitated somewhat. All right, hey, again, it's just one of those fun dancing songs, man. That's it. That's all. I ain't got too much to say. I'm just hoping that the video is able to, you guys are watching right now. That's all I hope for. But again, appreciate you guys coming over and watching, man. Yeah. That was funny, though. That was super funny. Gave me a good laugh. All right. Peace out.